Ethereum for the most part is a highest level mineable coin, with the ticker ETH, that generally has a sort of present worth of $1,667.19 and a market capitalization of $200 456 859 320 wind in an unpretentious manner. Digital currencies generally have long passed a reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure vendors in an especially large way. These days, it's a resource class that especially is considerably managed and, surprisingly, embraced as lawful delicate, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Some sort of huge venture banks even basically gain Ethereum and other digital currencies all at once to by and large safeguard their resources under administration against a jogging expansion that handicaps the customary monetary business sectors in a truly significant manner. Presently, now is the right time to fundamentally uncover our short, mid, and kind of long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ETH market that especially depend on the readings of our in every practical sense, extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that in every practical sense assists us with measuring the market feeling and really expect where in which the market plans to go amazingly. At this point, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is $1,667.19. While the coin presently most certainly ends up at second spot in the by and large generally speaking positioning, which truly is very critical. The said really positioning truly is assessed based on the resources especially present value that especially is duplicated by its kind of current market capitalization, an equation that in a real sense is applied all through every single monetary market, which sort of is very huge. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients generally get the most pertinent information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios, which really is very huge. It's likewise vital to fundamentally consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading in a kind of large manner. On September 28, the cost of Ethereum sort of was at $1,597.48 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change explicitly added up to 0.42%. 7 days prior, on September 22, ETH sort of was esteemed at $1,584.24, which for the most part intends that from that point forward, the cost by and large has explicitly varied by 0% in an unpretentious manner. A month prior, on August 29, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,728.96, hence, the coin really has made a 3.69% move to arrive at its for the most part present standings in a by and large significant manner without a doubt. The examination of market capitalization truly conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and customary business sectors in a fundamentally significant manner. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to in a real sense decide the essentially by and large position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks, for example. Changes in market capitalization in every practical sense, positive or truly negative in a real sense, are likewise demonstrative of the manner by which the said market could for the most part be going, as well as the resources sort of potential for making gains or posting misfortunes in both fundamentally short and kind of long-haul viewpoints in an extremely enormous manner. This really specific essentially metric truly is likewise used to measure the predominance of Ethereum, according to the remainder of the cryptographic money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. To sort of decide the kind of current market capitalization of ETH, we basically increase the flowing stockpile, the boundary that will in every practical sense be made sense of later by the in every practical sense present worth of the digital money under survey, which is very huge. Starting today, the market capitalization of Ethereum generally remains at $200 456 859 320 when, which shapes the reason for its genuinely present in every practical sense positioning that was referenced before. So Ethereum generally is a highest level mineable coin with the ticker ETH that basically has a sort of present worth of $1,667.19 and a market capitalization of $200 456 859 320 win in a large huge manner. Yesterday, on September 28, ETH really had a market capitalization of $192.07 win 407 506 in a large huge manner. Keep going week, on September 22, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to in every practical sense was recorded at $190 469 909 550, which in a real sense shows that as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology explicitly is utilized to decide the kind of generally speaking position and prominence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, in a sort of significant way explicitly. A month prior, on August 29, the market worth of Ethereum especially was evaluated to generally be $207, $850, $335, $438 in a really significant manner. Complete Stockpile considers the quantity of coins that have proactively been created by different means, for example, through mining, so as a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology generally is utilized to basically decide the general position and ubiquity of computerized resources and stocks, for example, which certainly is very critical. These digital currencies can especially be utilized either for really dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers. This truly metric likewise calculates the coins that truly have been gotten rid of through the cycle called consuming, which most certainly is applied to control the expansion rate. At this point, the genuinely complete stockpile of Ethereum is laid out at 120,236,031 ETH, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Ultimately, the flowing stock essentially is utilized to especially compute the market capitalization and for the most part, evaluate the coins ongoing remaining in the positions, or so they fundamentally thought. It indicates the truly and general measure of ETH that fundamentally is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that basically are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly truly put unavailable for general use out of the blue, which for the most part is very huge. It's by and large commonly accepted that digital currencies that by and large have a flowing stockpile between 60 million and 150 million for the most part are the most appropriate for certainly long-haul venture, since they fundamentally are without a doubt liable to generally see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, conceivably many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate. Really as opposed to prevalent thinking. At this crossroads, Ethereum sort of has a circling supply of 120,236,031 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout the course of recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ETH arrived at the mark of $5,708, 424, 378, versus the generally thought. Yesterday, on September 28, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame generally remained at $5,533, 711, 756, sort of an opposition to mainstream thinking. 7 days prior, on September 22, how much ETH that truly was traded between market members basically was assessed at $5,192,068, 177. So a month prior, in August 29, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at $1,728.96. In this manner, the coin sort of has made a 3.69% move to in every practical sense arrive at its really present standings, which truly is very huge. Presently truly comes an opportunity to generally make sense of exhaustively the pith of the crypto instability record, CVIX, since it's a highlight of our cost expectation model that permits us to sort of predict the way that